All right, so let's put Timu's quilting 10-inch squares Halloween fabrics to the test and make a quilt. Stack and cut your layers. Swap your layers around to get different colors. Cut some strips from black fabric or any color that you choose. Measure out your black strips of fabric and sew together. Iron your blocks nice and flat, removing all the creases. Trim all of your blocks to the same size. Isn't this beautiful? Absolutely gorgeous. Now, if you want to learn how to make this, you can download the pattern in the description box below. Just look for the 3 dots. Bye for now.